If you are a new YouTuber or you're new to YouTube and you just decided to start up your YouTube channel, and the first thing you do on that channel is to upload your videos, you are very, very wrong. That is not the first thing to do. There are some things you actually need to put in place before uploading your first video. So if you just go ahead out of excitement to upload your first videos without putting necessary things that you need to put in place, without fixing these things that you need to fix, you're going to get frustrated and you'll be tired of YouTube. Because I understand the joy of starting a YouTube channel and then you film your first video and you do all necessary editing, putting your energy into editing, and at the end of the day, you only get one view. It's very, very painful. So if you're watching this video and you just started your YouTube channel or you're about to create a channel for yourself, then you need to watch this video from beginning to the end, okay, so that you don't get frustrated on this YouTube journey. Now this video is actually going to put you on the things you need to put in place before uploading that first video on your channel. And peradventure you've been uploading videos on your channel and you're still not getting views even as a new YouTuber, these tips is also going to work for you. All right, so without much being said, let me take you straight into the main video.
First thing, you need to go to your Chrome browser or Safari and type studio.youtube.com, and at the bottom of the interface you're going to see this number in box. Click on it and you're going to see YouTube Studio, right? So you need to click on it and continue to Studio. Now once it is done loading, you're going to see an interface like this whereby it gets to show you everything about your channel. Now, if you take a look at the columns that we have at the left side of this interface, you're going to see that we have two separate columns at the bottom. Now, this is where we're going. The one at the top that looks like a settings icon is where you're going to click. And once you click on it, it is actually going to load and you're going to see an interface like this where you see general, channel, upload default, add category, permission and the likes, but the main place you're actually going to is channel. Now once you click on channel, you're going to see this interface where you see basic info, advanced settings and future eligibility. Now the main place you're going to is where you can see keywords. Now this particular settings alone is a game changer. Okay, so if you're just starting up a channel and you don't set this up and then you start uploading your videos thinking and expecting the algorithm to actually push your videos, and sorry to break it to you, you're not going to get any view, simply because we have millions of channels on YouTube that upload videos on a daily basis. Now amongst these millions of channels, at least 80% of those channels are optimized, okay, and it is the work of the algorithm to actually understand what their channel is all about, who their audience are, so that it's actually going to put their videos to the right audience. Now if your channel is not optimized, how do you expect your channel to compete with these millions of channels that are properly optimized? Okay, so that is why you need to first of all put this in place. You need to set this right before uploading your first video. And peradventure you've been uploading your videos, you're not getting any views, please go right now to your YouTube settings or your YouTube studio to check if you've done this properly. Okay, because another thing about you optimizing your channel using keywords is not just about you typing the keywords related to your niche. You need to check for something that has worked for another creator, especially creators in your niche, creators that are doing exactly what you're doing, that talks about the topic you talk about, that does similar thing to what you're doing. Okay, so that is why I'm making this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can get the right keywords for your channel so that your channel is going to be properly optimized, and then the algorithm will start picking your videos. Now if you look at my own keywords, you're going to see that they are properly optimized. I have my name in my channel keywords, I have other big creators name in my channel keywords. Okay, so this is going to help my own channel rank. Okay, so whoever is searching for these people or searching for this particular keywords, my channel is going to pop up. Okay, because the YouTube algorithm is actually going to push it up. Now for you to get the right channel keywords that is working for your competitor, you need to head over to YouTube app, the YouTube app itself. Okay, now you're going to look for someone in your niche that is doing very, very well, a successful creator in your niche, right? Then you go to their channel, look for one of their videos, right? So I'm just going to go ahead and look for someone in my niche. All right, so this creator is doing something similar to what I'm doing. So now after you found in a creator in your niche, you go to their channel, click on their videos, right? Click on these three dots. Now you're going to see share. All right, once you click on share, you're going to see copy link. Okay, now once you've copied the link, you head over to your Chrome browser, and the next thing you need to do is to type MW metadata. Okay, and the site is actually going to pop up. Now once the sites pop up, you're going to see something like this. You see where that link is, you're going to delete everything there to make sure it is blank. All right, so after doing that, remember the link which you copied from YouTube. You're going to long press on that space and paste it. Okay, so once you paste it, click on submit. Now it is actually going to load and bring you all the necessary information that you need. Right, so now you're just going to scroll down. Okay, now another thing I want you to take note is that if you've been uploading videos on your channel and you've not been selecting categories, or you're selecting the wrong categories, it may also affect your views, it may also affect your reach, because the YouTube algorithm needs to know the category in which your video falls to. All right, so you can also use this format to know the right category for your niche. All right, just look for someone doing what you're doing, copy the link of one of their videos and paste it on this site, and you're going to see the category in which that creator is using for each of their videos. Okay, so you should also start using that kind of category if you're into the same niche. Now another beautiful part is that if you upload a video and you don't know the right tags to use, and you see a creator that have done similar topic or the same type of title, just use this format again, and it is going to bring you the tags in which the creator used on that particular video. So you just need to, long press on it and paste it on your tag session. Right now, that's not where we're going. So for you to get the main channel keyword, just scroll down to the bottom of this interface, and voila, we have the secret keywords of this particular channel. Okay, so if you're into this kind of niche, just go ahead and copy. You're going to long press and copy these keywords, right? So I'm just going to do that, long press and click on copy. Now after you've done this, you need to paste those keywords which you copied somewhere else, because you're not just going to copy and paste it exactly on your own channel. So I'm just going to paste it on my notes. Then the next thing you need to do is to head over back to YouTube, right? Look for another creator that is doing same thing in your niche. Try to watch to the end. I'm heading somewhere. Now this procedure, you need to do it for 2 to 3 channels. So I'm just going to look for a creator, a big creator in my niche. So I think this would do. So we're just going to click on that 3 dots and thereby go to copy its link. Now after copying the link, you go back to that site, right, and paste it there, and follow the same procedure whereby we get the full channel keywords. So here are the keywords for this channel. Now the next thing is just to long press and copy it, so that we're just going to paste it where I kept the initial keywords, right? So now after pasting it here, what you need to do is to long press on the entire keywords we've gathered so far. Okay, from the first to the second, you copy everything and then you take it to ChatGPT. Now the next thing you need to do is to pick the relevant keywords, not more than 500 characters. Then you're going to paste that keywords which you've copied, and it is going to generate the relevant keyword for your channel. Now the reason why I asked it to generate not more than 500 characters is because in your keyword session you can only add 500 characters. So if it is more than 500 characters, it is not going to save. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is just to copy the keywords which ChatGPT gave to you and you take it to your own channel. Okay, so you need to log on back to studio.youtube.com. Then you head over back to settings and go to channel. Okay, so if you've not done this, you're going to see that yours will be blank, and if you've done it before and you didn't do it well, so you can just clear it and paste the keywords which you copied from ChatGPT and paste it there. Then after doing this, make sure you save. Okay, now the next thing you need to click on is future eligibility. Okay, now you can see we have standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. You can see mine is enabled, so yours needs to be enabled. Now if you go to your settings and you see that it is not enabled, you need to make sure it is enabled. Now for the intermediate features, this is the first 3 steps for new creators, okay, or new channels, okay, whereby you have to verify your channel using the phone number verification. And once you verify, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes, add custom thumbnails, you can go live and appeal claims. And if you intend monetizing your channel, the third features, which is the advanced feature, must also be enabled. This is where the ID or face verification comes in, whereby it's either you build a channel history by having to upload consistently. The second option to be able to enable your advanced feature is the ID verification, whereby you upload a valid government ID. And the third option is either face or video verification, whereby you make a video about yourself. Now, to the last but not the least thing you need to do to optimize your channel properly is to go to YouTube app, right? Click on your profile and go to description. Okay, you see that pencil icon where you see edit channel, click on it and it is going to take you to your channel profile. You're going to see description. Now, once you click on description, you need to make sure that your description is properly optimized, okay, so that your channel can rank and the algorithm can know what your channel is all about. Now, to properly optimize your description without stress, just head over to ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT to give you a well-ranked description, okay? Tell ChatGPT your niche, what you intend to do, the videos you want to do, so that it is going to optimize that description properly. And once ChatGPT have actually given you a description, just copy it and come and paste it here. So these are the things you need to do on your channel before uploading your videos. Okay, so you need to go back to your settings, check if these things are in check, and if they are not in place, please do well to set it well on your channel properly so that your channel will start getting recognition by the algorithm. So if you find this video very helpful, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and lastly, don't forget to drop me your comments in the comment section. And I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.